Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be doing a winter Christmas bucket list. So I sat down and took the time to think of things that I'll actually want to do for the winter or Christmas holiday for 2023. If you're new to my channel, I welcome you. My name is C'Aira. For those of you who are new to my channel, I do a lot of cool things over on my channel, such as vlogging, cooking, baking, unboxing, grocery hauls, and a lot more. So, and from time to time I travel, right? So what I wanted to do today with this video was just to give you guys a couple different ideas for winter and Christmas. See, these are things that are going to go on my bucket list, and I thought that you might want to accomplish these things too. So with the Christmas holiday and winter coming up right around the corner, go ahead and pull out your pen and paper so that you can write down some of these ideas to do this year as well. So on my list I have making a hot cocoa bar. I love making a hot chocolate bar because it is cold outside, and in the morning times it's going to be a great way for me to just make a quick hot cup of hot chocolate by putting like some marshmallows or hot cocoa bombs made by me personally or already store-bought. And I also want to do like peppermint. I also want to add in just like some other little things to go along with that station. I want to do some Christmas baking, and so Christmas baking is so easy. You could make gingerbread men, gingerbread houses, you could make Christmas cookies. It's totally up to you. The options are endless. I also want to make a winter playlist. Spotify is one of the great places that you guys can make that playlist for free and listen to it as long as you would like to. Of course, it doesn't necessarily have to be Christmas music. It could be winter music, or music that gets you in the mood for winter, or music that gets you in the mood for Christmas. I also want to decorate a gingerbread house. I want to be successful with it, and I also want to like get it to stick. That is the part that I am working on with the successful part of the gingerbread house. I want to watch a Christmas movie marathon. With a Christmas movie marathon, there's so many movies that you guys can watch. If you guys go over to my Pinterest, I do have a playlist on there, or a board I should say, that has all of the pins for Vlogmas. It also includes some of the great movies that I would love to watch this season myself. So if you're into like the Harry Potter at Christmas time, or you're into Charlie Brown, or if you are into other movies like Home Alone, The Santa Claus, Grinch, and other movies like that. I want to drive around and look at all of the Christmas lights. I normally like do the bare minimal, where I keep my kids like in the neighborhood kind of thing to go on to see lights. I feel like I want to step outside the box and like take them to, you know, see other neighborhoods as lights, and just like have a good night out doing some Christmas drive around looking for lights. I also want to decorate my bedroom for Christmas. I feel like that is a part of the house. I feel like it is also part of me. I decorated this year for fall, and I want to do it again for Christmas. So just decorating it up. Of course, I want to wrap presents and have a nice hot cup of chocolate, along with like being in my PJs and just enjoying the day to wrap some presents and like get those out of the way with. I do want to try to make some orange slices. I don't normally do this, but I would love to, just to see like what the aroma is going to be like, and just like what project I can create out of that. Of course, I want to do a winter photo shoot. Sometimes here in Virginia, where I live at, it does not snow. Last year we were lucky to get really no snow at all, and no snow days off. So I would love to do just like a winter photo shoot where it's really, really cold and you can see the brisk air outside, and just to enjoy the moment. I also want to do a make it yourself Christmas, like a do it yourself Christmas craft or something. Every year, you know, like a lot of those TikToks come out and a lot of people jump on those to make those. I really just want to try to just do something myself. So I'm thinking of a couple different ideas that I want to do for myself and for my kiddos to make craft wise, and of course my kiddos at work. Create a Christmas pamper routine. Of course you want to get in the spirit and like figure out a way to make up a routine for Christmas to pamper yourself and get ready, and all of those good things. So I do want to try to do that by, you know, like the spa, and getting just my nails prepped and ready for Christmas and things like that. I would love to make an ugly sweater. I feel like an ugly sweater would be one of the cutest things to make, and I feel like I'm gonna coordinate this at work by everybody coming in and wearing their ugliest sweater, and whoever, like, you know, has like the ugliest sweater gets to do something. Haven't thought of that idea yet, and I'm not throwing it out there until I have it all pieced together, but making an ugly sweater is a must. Of course, I want to try Starbucks' seasonal menu items. I know that they have a new one, and I want to try that. Even though I'm not into the chai latte, I do want to give it a try and see what it tastes like. I would love to roast marshmallows and just sit around and enjoy like the festivities of like Christmas in the air and winter being here. I want to go Christmas shopping and see all of the new things that are being offered, and I want to see all of the things that like I can incorporate into my Christmas decor this year, as well as like what to buy for the kids for Christmas. I want to get matching pajamas for me and the kiddos, and I think that I just really want to wait to see the prices of these pajamas go down, especially for just like a pair of pajamas that you're clearly only going to wear once or twice a year during the winter and Christmas time. I want to go Christmas candle shopping. I love candles. I can't live without them. I really feel like having extra candles in the house is always a must, and whenever you get low, you always feel like you have to revamp on your candle selection, and I feel like it's time to revamp on my Christmas candle collection because I don't have any. I want to make a Christmas Eve box for like my kiddos for Christmas, where it's like I could put popcorn in there, I could put like a box of candy, I can give them like a movie or whatever, just something as like an early gift to them, instead of letting them open up like one early Christmas gift. I don't know, it's just something that I've seen on Pinterest and I think that it's really, really cute. So making a Christmas Eve box will be really cool to try this year as like a Christmas tradition and see how that goes. Of course, I want to try to make some eggnog myself, or just drink it and try like a new recipe using eggnog, because eggnog is like, it's flowing on me. It's not really my favorite, but it is flowing in on me, as I feel like I want to try 2 recipes this year using the eggnog. And of course, last but not least, I want to decorate my Christmas nails. Like, fall is boom, Christmas is here, and I want to decorate my nails with something festive. So like red, or with the glitter of gold or white, green, who knows. I just want to make it look very festive for Christmas. So I hope that you all enjoyed watching my bucket list, and I hope that you all write yours out soon, as these things will be on my bucket list, and I will definitely be giving these a try throughout the winter and Christmas season.